Alright, these are the solar panels I have. That's a 20-watt solar panel. That's an 85-watt solar panel. And that's two 50-watt panels there. And that's another 85-watt panel. There's also a over and under voltage protection circuit. And again, this is where the charger's plugged in, two AC outlets. Okay, this is the 1500 watt power pack. Has an on-off switch, voltage display, and controller. This is used for any 12 volt voltage input, solar panel, wall charger, or car charger. This is the input for either the panel, the car charger, or the wall charger. These are the two outputs for the inverter. This is the inverter. This is the back of the inverter. 1500 watt Xantrex inverter. Okay, here we have the 85 watt solar panel, not in full sun, obviously. And it's hooked up to the power pack, and you can see from the green light that it's charging. Just unplugged it. So the green light cuts off, plug it back in, it comes on. That's the solar panel. It also comes with a 5 amp wall charger right here and a car charger. That will charge at the rate of about 2 to 3 amps. Wall charger, car charger. You can see that it's at a low charge right now, 11.6 volts. I was running it last night on the TV and it's low, but I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Even at a low voltage, I'm going to turn on the TV. This is a 55-inch plasma TV. Show you that it's plugged in here through the extension cord to the TV. Okay, here's the TV. You got to turn on the power switch to the inverter. Now here's the TV.
Can't pick up a girl whilst talking like a little boy. Challenge forfeited.
Okay, so there you go. I can't change channels with this remote, so that's got a. It'll run for about an hour and a half to 2 hours on this.
Wow, I'm glad that's over.
Okay, now here's another little demo I like to do. This is where the fridge is normally plugged in. This is the fridge now, plugged into the portable power. You can see that the fridge is off currently. No light. Now I'm going to turn it on, and it also, if you listen closely, you'll hear the compressor is running. Alright, here's another demo I like to do. This is the portable power pack. The voltage is actually kind of low right now because I've been using it a lot, but you can see I've got the extension cord plugged in here, and I'm running it over to the refrigerator. Refrigerator's normally plugged in here, but it's plugged into the power pack. And you can see it's on, but if you listen, you can also hear the compressor running. And that's the trick for a power pack. The refrigerator only draws about an amp AC, which is about 10 amps DC. When it's running without, when it's running after the compressor kicks in. When the compressor kicks in, the current is about 10 times that for about a second. So it's pulling about 100 amps DC when the compressor kicks in. And that's a real test for any portable power pack. If you can pull 100 amps for 1 second, you can run a refrigerator. If you can't, doesn't matter how good you are the rest of the time, but you got to pull that 100 amps. So that's the power of lithium-ion batteries. Okay, I'm just going to show a couple of websites on some of these other products. This is that Xantrex. I didn't even know this. Apparently they're not selling it right now. Something to do with the inverter. Don't quite understand that. I do know that their batteries do not hold up very well. Not trying to be negative, just I've tested it. I know that the lead acid just don't hold up as good as they could. And also, a lot of people have seemed to have experience with this Duracell Power Source 1800. It's got the same problem with the lead acid batteries. They just don't, the lead acid just, they're not as deep cycle as the lithium ion. Definitely not the lithium ion that I use. I have a great source for these batteries, for the cells. Again, it's, as it says here, it's a, I've also done a lot of comparisons with other power packs. This is the Xantrex 1500. I've removed the top so you can see what's inside of it. There's 3 16 amp hour batteries, which they advertise as 60 amp hours. It's really only 48, but they can run into problems.